Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today's word is carry. It's an A1 level verb that means to hold and move something from one place to another. So, what does it mean to carry something? Simply put, it means to support and transport an object. You're carrying something anytime you're holding it while moving. We use it all the time. For example, you might carry groceries from the car or carry a backpack to school. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for the word carry. A good synonym is transport. For example, instead of saying, I need to carry these boxes upstairs, you could say, I need to transport these boxes upstairs. Another synonym is convey. You could say, the pipes convey water to the house, which is similar to saying the pipes carry water to the house. Another synonym for carry is move. We can say, please move the chairs to the other room, instead of please carry the chairs to the other room. Another synonym is bear. For example, she bore the weight of responsibility with grace. This could be used in place of, she carried the weight of responsibility with grace. Let's look at some antonyms. An antonym of carry is drop. If you carry something, you're holding it, but if you drop it, you're letting it go. For example, she didn't want to drop the glass. Another antonym is leave. To leave something behind is the opposite of carrying it with you. For example, please don't leave your coat here, highlighting the action of not carrying it. Another antonym is abandon. To abandon something is to forsake it, which is the opposite of transporting or carrying it. For example, they abandoned the car on the side of the road. Contrast this with, they carried supplies in the car on the road. Another antonym is unload. To unload is to remove something that was being carried. For example, we need to unload the truck now. Another antonym is deposit. For example, you can deposit your luggage here, which means to leave it in a specific place instead of carrying it around. Now, let's talk about how we can use carry in everyday life. You might say to a friend, can you help me carry these bags? They're really heavy. Or you could say, the waiter will carry your plate to your table. You can also use carry in a more figurative sense. For instance, her voice carries well in the auditorium, meaning her voice is easily heard from a distance. Another example would be, the song carried me back to my childhood. Here are a few more examples of the word carry in sentences and phrases. He carried the baby in his arms. The river carries debris downstream. I always carry an umbrella in case it rains. She carries herself with confidence. The news carried a sense of hope. To recap, carry is a verb that means to hold and move something from one place to another. We explored some synonyms like transport, convey, move, and bear. We looked at antonyms like drop, leave, abandon, unload, and deposit. And we saw how carry is used in various everyday scenarios. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and I really appreciate it. And now I have a little challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word carry. Share your sentence as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.